Hello, Daniel here, and welcome to another one of our product unboxing videos. So today we're going to be unboxing the Ring stick-up cam wired. You may have heard that Ring do a lot of different products, most notably the doorbell. We've also got the doorbell, and providing you've got good wireless and the power to it's good, as per the instructions, and you will not have a problem. It works flawlessly. It's a great security device. So I decided to purchase another one of their products. So as I said, this is the wired version of the stick-up cam. There is a battery version, but the wired one's the better one to go for. So it comes in a nice box like this. This was £180 from Argos in the UK, but you can get it from Amazon. So it's got dual band Wi-Fi, so 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. It's got motion detection built in, infrared night vision. It offers other things as well, and it automatically uploads the videos on motion detection. You can talk to people as well, so you can basically tell them to leave the property, etc. Right, so if we do the unboxing. So,
nice box.
Yeah, I would say that Ring products are boxed nicely. If that's one thing I would say about them.
Like that other company,
bit like
that other fruit company,
the fruity company. That's
okay. So we've got something in there.
So apparently this camera can be power over Ethernet, which is handy. So you just run one Ethernet cable to it, and
right. So
these are like
stickers.
These were included with the doorbell we bought as well.
Attention, obviously, attention. Different languages, basically.
Yeah, I'm not sure why they include so many, but I guess it's a one box for everywhere.
Two stickers. Attention.
Yeah. Don't do that. Is that a setup code? We have to just obscure that a little bit. Yeah, we don't want that setup code in the shop because obviously it's for this.
So it looks like a load of instructions in there. Nice stick-up webcam wired.
So this is indoor and outdoor, and it's obviously it's weatherproofed. This is the power over Ethernet ejector. So this is going to your switch or your router. Power it up, one single cable to it. Nice and easy.
Right. If there's any white marks on it, it's not how it came, it's just I'm doing some sanding at the moment.
Ah, okay.
So that's the camera. It's got protective film on it that you obviously pull off.
Yeah.
Zoom it all. Looks like it's got some screws in there that you can put it on. We'll work that out in a minute. So you can screw it up like that on the wall.
It can be twisted as well, can't it?
Yeah.
All that sort of.
Yeah.
And it can be mounted upside down as well, I think.
Yeah.
That comes out a bit more, but it's up to you how you mount it.
This comes out somehow here.
Yeah.
So if you were screwing it on a wall, oh, that's nice.
Nice little spirit level built into as well.
Yeah, so if you're screwing it on your wall, need a little spirit level. That's a neat little touch. So feels real good quality. I'm going to leave the wrapper on the moment, so I've got sticky fingers.
Yeah, and there's the bottom comes off with an Allen key, so I think that might be included. It was with the doorbell.
So setup kit next to the camera in the top of the box.
Is there anything else in the back of that box? There's a little something in the back of it.
Nearly.
So this is basically a wall plug, and there'll be different types of socket connections, like 3-pin for here, 2-pin for the States, etc.
Decent screws by the looks of it. Clips for your cabling, everything.
Not bad, not bad.
Pretty good. Numerous raw plugs. If you need them, depends where you put your wire. Oh my! Yeah, I've thought of everything. Even give you a masonry drill bit.
So some masonry drill bit. Yeah.
Quite a nice screwdriver with that.
Yeah, the thing about these screwdrivers, I think the tip comes out. The tip comes out and it flips around to Torx. Oh, there might be Torx on the bottom of that. So my mistake. That's like a Torx fitting.
I think that.
And that goes on there if you're going to do it via the normal cable.
There's another one if you're.
Yeah.
What different. See.
Right, so there's two ways of powering this up. There's power over Ethernet, which
There's a bit more in there.
There's,
but you've got
or you
cable
can
there.
power it up via this adapter in there, straight in there. So
There's that.
So that's quite a nice little bit of kit.
There's another one of those thingamajigs, presumably. Hang on a minute. That lives with that. So you've got your universal adapter. Those must just slide on.
Yeah, because this gets powered up.
Yeah. So that would just slide on like that. So you've got your 3-pin plug. It's
Yeah.
quite neat, really neat, really clever design.
Feels good quality, and it's got the stabilisers each side to stop it from being broken. It's put in.
And there's more. So we're now to the bottom of the
Now
box.
get an Ethernet cable.
And I'm looking in there, and there's this big long cable.
Now I actually just bought one of those cables, and I probably didn't need to,
There's
but
2 of them.
there's 2 of them. There's a short. Can you keep it down a bit?
Yeah.
There's a short little one, and it looks like it's probably, I don't know, what's that, Cat 6E, something like that.
This is quite long, this one. People want to-
They're good quality cables anyway. That's like a 3 or 5 metre one, that.
Yeah,
So
I think it's handy for people if we knew how long this was. So then you'd have to go and buy one if you don't need one.
well, for most, I'd imagine for most people, the cable would probably be long enough just to get it set up and working.
£5 metres. So you get 5 metre cable with it.
Okay, so you get a lot included. So
That's
if you,
15p.
okay, so if you're thinking about buying one of these, as you can see, if you're wondering what's included, this video is really just
Everything.
to tell you what's included, trying to help you out
What's
a bit.
impressed me is the fixings they give with it. And the masonry drill bit. So you obviously will need a drill, but we've got everything with it.
Now, one important thing to note about this, if you aren't using this and plugging it straight in, you must have a good wireless network. If you've got the money to upgrade your wireless, then I would recommend products by Ubiquiti and the Unify range. They will certainly do the job.
These are for mounting your clips on your cable, yeah, to the brick or wall. This little pack is for these screws under here, security screws. And they've got a Torx head on.
Oh
yeah.
right, they actually are security screws as well.
Yeah, just so
Stop it
people are
from
aware.
taking it off.
Yeah, and I think, yeah, it's a little screw. Anyway, no. Yeah.
So what's about? Let's look in the bottom of this a minute. Let's try and open this up. Try and take that out and see what's in the bottom of it. Just in case anybody who's watching this is wondering. So,
That just slides out.
so you've got some sort of orange setup button. The QR code you scan to set it up, and you've got your Ethernet port for the power and data, or your single power port, and you'd have to connect it to the wireless if you was using that. So I think that's about it with this.
Put that back on. Ish. It would go straight back in, but I don't take the film off yet. I'll have to in a minute.
It doesn't matter, you can leave it out.
Just got a couple of little grooves, but there you go.
So what you would do is you'd get this camera, you'd power it up, you would open the Ring app, you go to set up a new device. If it's the same as the doorbell, which I think it is, you'd scan the QR code on the back or enter it manually, whichever's easiest for you. And you set it up in the app, tell it what Wi-Fi you want to connect to or your other network, and it's done.
I'll say the thing
Really
that impressed me
easy.
with it is that everything included, literally everything.
Yeah, there's loads of stuff included in this.
Buy it and set it up.
You can definitely buy this and
Anything
set
that's
this
not
up.
included is a drill, but you
Yeah,
can't
but you-
ask for everything.
Yeah, we're joking when we
I mean,
say
come
that.
on, Rick, where's the drill?
Yeah. So thank you for watching, and apologies if we were talking a bit too fast or talking over each other, but that's how we do
And
things.
he's got sanding.